Hello and welcome to Travel Chef. Today we are going to make banana wine. And of course the main ingredient is ripe bananas. Before we continue with the rest of the video, I would like to say one more thing. I personally apologize to my patient viewers for not uploading videos in the last 1 week as I was held up with my work. I work in a day job like all of us do, and my passion is to make recipe videos and being a food vlogger. Now I am trying to streamline myself, and I hope I will continue to deliver the same quality of videos going forward. I thank you once again for watching my videos and giving me a positive start in my career as a YouTube vlogger. Now let's move on to see how to make this banana recipe. Because we use ripe bananas, the wine too has a light fruit flavor, it has a golden honey color and a very distinct taste. Banana wine has a rich cultural significance and a long history across countries like Philippines, India, East Africa and Central America. Well, did you know in the ancient Buddhist text it was clearly mentioned around 600 BC that they allowed Buddhist monks to have beverages made out of bananas. That's incredible. Well, without much further talk, let's see how to make banana wine. Come on. To make banana wine is a very simple process. For this we need 1 kilo of sugar, 1 kilo of Robusta bananas which is ripened, then we need to take 10 grams of raisins, 3 to 4 pieces of cinnamon, five to 6 pieces of cloves, 3 dry red chilies, around 10 to 12 pods of cardamom, the next main ingredient is yeast, which is half a teaspoon, and 2 liters of water, which we have kept aside. The proportion we need to take is for 1 kilo of bananas, we need 1 kilo of sugar. But if the bananas are very sweet, then a little amount of sugar can be reduced. Now we need to pour the water into the bowl. Place it on the stove on high flame and wait till the water boils. Once the water is hot enough, then we slowly pour the sugar into the water. Thus we can dissolve the sugar then. We need to continuously stir the sugar until the water boils and until the sugar dissolves. Now the water has boiled and the sugar too has dissolved. The next step is to take it down from the stove and let it cool for some time. The next step is to peel the bananas, which we had kept previously. Did you know that you can make your banana wine sweet or dry depending on the recipe you use? But banana wine can be mixed with other wines too for more flavor. One thing you can be sure of is that banana wine is available only in small scale home production levels, but there is no industrial or commercial production of banana wines. Fermented banana wine has only 5 to 7% of alcohol. Banana wine does not contain ethanol, which is the main ingredient for alcohol. but they have sugared alcohol, so it is very pleasant to drink it. The next step is to smash the bananas using a ladle. As we smash the bananas, please ensure that we do not smash them into pulp, but let the few chunks remain. And for the next step, we begin smashing the spices that we had kept aside previously. We use a mortar and pestle or a stone grinder, and we place all the ingredients into it. The next step is to start filling the jar with the smashed bananas, and we can do it slowly. Now we need to add the spices along with the smashed bananas. Did you know, like any other wine, banana wine too gets better as it ages. As a banana wine ages, it will start becoming into a golden, crystal clear liquid. The next step is to add the cold sugar solution into the jar along with the smashed bananas. And by the way, please don't forget to keep the bottled banana wine in a cool and dark place. And also the shelf life for a banana wine is 3 years. The final step is to add half teaspoon of yeast along with the mashed bananas. Adding yeast helps to start the fermentation process. The next step after adding the yeast is to stir the solution of ingredients together. Did you know that banana wine has a lot of benefits? Firstly, bananas are generally a good source of fiber and sugars, making them a good energy source. The second benefit of drinking banana wine is that it helps to reduce blood sugar, stroke, depression, anemia, and heartburn. Then the third benefit of drinking wine is it is an excellent health tonic that helps in digestion. And the final benefit is that this unique tasting fruit wine is loaded with vitamins, potassium and manganese, and it is a favorite drink among health conscious people. The final step is to close the jar with the banana wine and store it for 21 days, after which a banana wine would be ready. Our next video will show you how the banana wine has transformed itself into a sweet smelling, tasty and delicious wine. In the first week, we see the mashed bananas begins floating on the top and the remaining sediments drop to the bottom. We need to stir the wine to combine them together. Now we will see a gradual transformation of the wine over the next 21 days. Currently, we have placed our wine in a plastic bottle and we will be slowly moving into a porcelain jar. Unfortunately, due to the lockdown, we are unable to get what we want, but we will surely make the move. Also, while stirring the wine, please use the ladle without any moisture in it, else the wine will get spoiled. It is now the second week and we see there's a transformation in the wine and the color too changes. And we notice that bubbles start appearing and that shows that the yeast is working. Also, there's a lovely smell of the fermenting bananas that comes out as soon as we open the lid. In the final week, a fine white filament appears on the top of the fermented bananas. and this shows that the yeast is doing its job. Sediments of the bananas appear at the bottom, and the clear wine appears in the middle of the banana sediment. Now we will continue to stir the wine. Now it is the 21st day and time to strain the wine. The sweet smell of fermented bananas hits us on the face as soon as we open the wine jar. The next step is that we need to strain the wine, and for this we need a clean dry strainer and a vessel. Once again, please ensure that there shouldn't be any moisture content in either the vessel or the strainer. Now we slowly start pouring the wine onto the strainer, and all the sediments of the bananas gets caught into the strainer. With the help of a spoon, we will slowly start stirring the sediments so that the wine start getting collected in the vessel below. Once again, please use a clean dry spoon to stir the wine. Now the wine that we have filtered through the strainer is ready to be bottled. Now we need to use a clean dry funnel to pour the wine into the bottles. Please ensure that the bottles are not filled to the brim, as there's a chance of the wine still fermenting and might even overflow or even might break the bottles. Now we have got 4 bottles of banana wine from 1 kilo of banana. We will continue to savor the taste of the banana. We will keep 1 bottle at least for over a year to see what would happen to the wine and the changes that might take place. Well, if any of you have done so, please let us know in the comment section below. So, about your experience for keeping the wine for more than a year and how good it can taste. Now a banana wine is ready to be served and enjoyed. I hope you loved watching our video, and I request you to share it with your friends if you really find it useful. Also, I request you to like, share and comment on our videos in the comment section below. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Until the next video, take care. Bye-bye.